Okay, what's going on here? Either that's lunch or one's humping the other. You decide.
See the one on the side of their foot? That's what to get you with.
Hey, is that a poop spot under his tail? It must be the butthole. What do you think? Right under the tail of the big one. Big brown spot. What's this dude? He thinks he's bad. You ain't much bigger than Big Daddy here. Look, he's playing a piano. Ding, 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 ding. He's the Rocket Man.